I'd like to conduct a Microsoft analysis. By market capitalization, it is the world's third largest company. It can be said that it is a representative company that has properly demonstrated what the right direction is for the past 10 years. The stock price, which rose nearly in proportion to earnings, continued to rise on the back of solid earnings. Microsoft percentage of sales. Production and business process 32%, personal replication 28%, cloud 43%. Personal computing, Windows, Microsoft Viewer, and Xbox, Game. Cloud, Hub, Visual Studio, and Azure. Processors for products and businesses, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft 365. It is a subscription-based company that makes continuous revenue. For Microsoft money, it works incredibly well. It is the most physically robust outdoor structure. According to the earnings announcement, both revenue and EPS were missing. The demand for PCs decreased. Despite a slower overall growth rate than in the past, strong guidance and the management's outlook helped the share price somewhat recover. The drop in stock prices and the degradation in performance are mostly caused by two phenomena. First, falling international sales as a result of the insane strong dollar phenomena. Second, soaring treasury yields make it difficult for growth stocks to perform well. This turns into two things. Microsoft accounts for up to 50% of sales made outside of the United States, and the king dollar phenomena has the effect of lowering sales in dollar terms, which naturally results in a drop in sales. Additionally, rising U.S. Treasury yields are bad for growth stocks, thus I believe that this had a significant effect on the decrease in Microsoft's share price. Many investors are reportedly shaking their investment values at the moment. Here is what I think. For the next 10 years or so, Microsoft is anticipated to have considerable growth potential, similar to the previous market. With a current PE ratio of 25, the valuation has already returned to pre-pandemic levels. Over the past several years, it has produced relatively consistent cash flow. This is a significant magic advantage, and it has a healthy cash flow. It has a ton of cash and frequently completes M&A. 71% of the total was accounted for by institutions, and 29% by individuals. The list of significant shareholders is dominated by large asset managers. I'll focus on three key areas where Microsoft should invest heavily. Amazon is first in the cloud market share, unchallenged in second. The gaming business is the second engine propelling the future. It has risen to third place in the globe for game revenue with the acquisition of Xbox and Blizzard. Study up on the gaming industry. The growth of communication speed has a significant impact on why the game industry is getting more significant. When 3G first came out, it was similar to streaming music without having to download it. And we began watching videos comfortably as soon as 4G was available. Netflix and YouTube both evolved. Microsoft is considering a change in gaming that will allow for real-time streaming games with the advent of 5G. The metaverse is the third investment point. Microsoft is better than everyone else in preparing for the metaverse age. The metaverse's beginning is also in the game. Your love of virtual world gaming may be the key to ushering in the VR age. We are also getting ready other hardware and software. According to estimates, the market for metaverses will reach $1.55 trillion in value by 2030. There is the emergence of a very sizable market, which of course includes Microsoft. In this perspective, you may conceive of Microsoft's emphasis on gaming as an emphasis on the metaverse. Cybersecurity is one of the many things Microsoft is planning. The biggest investment among the major tech firms is a considerable sum of money. The market for cybersecurity will grow more than you would anticipate. If you consider an industry you believe has significant potential for growth in the future, including smart cities, finance/payment, the cloud, big data, e-commerce, and metaverse. These activities all take place online. Forces will emerge to demand this money, and this is cyber hacking. There will inevitably be sectors of the economy that require protection, and cybersecurity will only advance. Cybersecurity is a broad field with numerous linked sectors. Even when considering the future of allied industries, it is crucial. Microsoft is attempting to establish itself in the cybersecurity market as a result. Let's now examine the present situation. That was an issue. First, dollar is strong phenomenon. After reaching their peak, the prices of all raw resources and currencies always decline again. The dollar is currently in that position, and the dollar index really reached its peak before beginning to decline. This indicates that the strong dollar phenomena is over and that Microsoft's initial risk has reportedly vanished. Second, soaring treasury yields make it difficult for growth stocks to perform well. The current situation of interest rate increases being viewed as a strategy to reduce inflation is the second concern. However, you can immediately verify that inflation is lessening if you look at the current inflation rate. It is determined that the second risk has also been eliminated as a result. Is there anything stopping us from investing in Microsoft right now? Does Microsoft need to be sold? There isn't any cause. It is seen as a solid corporation with apparent growth potential for at least the next 10 years. There are no internal hazards, and there are no external issues at all. So I believe that investing in Microsoft right now is a very good move. We appreciate you taking the time to watch the J&J Stock Storytelling video.